We ran five-week cohorts on the CAD readiness program, computer-aided design skills, in the program called NX by Siemens. Some of those students took their skills to the next level. They came in as interns, a paid internship. They learned how to reverse engineer a lot of the equipment in the space. And so now it's being turned into a full walkthrough of the space.
Hi, I'm Rahelia, and I'm an intern assistant at MakerspaceCT. The program took place here at Makerspace in the classroom, and now my current project is working on making a model of that classroom. I started by making a model of the actual classroom with all the walls and the floors, and then I later went into details by making the computers, towers, keyboards, and all the details you see here. So I make sketches from different views of the objects and take measurements of them, use those measurements and the drafts to create 3D models in NX. This fall, I'll be going to college as a civil engineering major, and being a part of this program and having this experience has reaffirmed the fact that this is something I like to do as a career or even just as a hobby.
Hello, my name is Brandy Martinez. I'm working on assembling all these pieces in the digital fab. I went into the shop and I measured from top to bottom and from how the distance from each other. I had to redo the little designs on the chairs because they were really difficult. You had to have specific measurements on each different cuts of the chairs, and they had different shapes and sizes of different pieces. I learned a lot because you can learn from mistakes. I tried different times to do the chair. It's not perfect, but at least I tried from the mistakes I did before. In the future, I want to become an engineer, and this is something I want to do and pursue in the future. And I think this helped me a lot.
Hi, my name is Alonzo Williams, and I was a part of the CAD-READINESS program here at MakerspaceCT. What I did was I was tasked with going out, modeling some 3D models of actual things that are inside some of the shops that are here. So two of the bigger machines that I worked on were the Haas milling machine and the finger brake, which was one of the most recent pieces that I worked on. With modeling in NX, I have sketches of what I've sketched for each machine and what other people have sketched for the machine to just get a total, make a sketch, extrude, make cuts, try to get the details down right. With all the things that I've learned here, definitely being able to use CAD again and learning more things about CAD, definitely some things I didn't know before. It was all very helpful, and although not all people are going to find CAD interesting, I did, and it was nice to be able to come here and explore it more. Although I am going to school for computer science in the fall, I do think CAD and knowing how to do this is a skill I will hold dear for a while.
What is up, you guys? So my name is Rodrigo, and I'm from the CAD readiness program. I've taken all the measurements that I took of the machine, and I put them in here, which you can see. This is a tubing notcher that I did. I took in all the shapes, so like I took in countability, the shapes, the little shapes, and I put them on here and named them. Put everything, the thickness of it, how long, the width, the height. It is really interesting for me. I really like it. I really enjoy doing it, but I'm also still debating if I should take this as a career, which it opens up another door to a new experience. Maybe it's something that I'm gonna do in the future, maybe it's not. But Makerspace really gave me a good opportunity by letting me come here and do 3D models of their machines.
MakerspaceCT would like to thank Launch H for the initial funding of the CAD readiness program and ReadyCT for the continued collaboration, and here's hoping to many, many more.